Hello students, welcome to Stars of Knowledge on the channel. Guys, if you are waiting for the IELTS exam review for 19th June 2021, then this video is for you guys. In today's video, we're gonna give you both morning slot and an evening slot IELTS exam review, and stay tuned for a few answers at the end of this video as well. So guys, let's start with the morning slot first. In the listening morning slot, in part 1, there were fill in the blanks, and part 1 was easy. In part 2, there were multiple choice questions and a map, and the part 2 was easy to moderate. In part 3, there was large multiple choice questions, easy to moderate, and for the part 4, there were fill in the blanks, and those were easy. Well, according to some students, the part 4 was little difficult, but overall your listening morning slot exam was easy. Further, moving on to reading. Well, for the reading in passage 1, there were true, false, not given, and fill in the blanks, and the passage 1 was easy to moderate. We are talking about the morning slot here. In the passage 2, there were fill in the blanks and match the information, and the title was Scientific Study for Brain Activity. Passage 2 was moderate. Some students also said that it was tricky as well. For the passage 3, there were selection of letters, and the title of the passage 3 was Green Roof, and it was also moderate. Overall, mostly everyone said that the reading was moderate in the morning. For the writing, for the morning slot, in task 1 there was a 2 pie charts. This was a combination of 2 pie charts. And for the task 2, the topic was some people think that newspapers are the best way to get news. However, others believes that they can get news better through another media like internet. Discuss both views and give your opinion. So guys, this was the morning slot. If we talk about the evening slot, well, in evening slot, let's start with the reading now. In reading the passage 1, the title was Tipokia. It was easy to moderate. Passage 2, the title was Mart Harvestman, and it was easy to moderate. And in passage 3, the title was Australia Sports Guidelines, and it was moderate. As compared to the morning slot, evening slot reading was little easy. So it was easy to moderate. If you know further anything else about the exam, if you're given today's exam, please let me know in the comment section. If we talk about the listening for the evening slot, part 1 was easy. Part 2 was easy to moderate. Part 3 was easy to moderate. Part 4 was easy. And your overall listening was easy both in the morning and in the evening slot. For the writing task in the evening slot, guys, for task 1 there was a line graph, and the topic for the task 2 was some people believe that printed books are no longer necessary in this digital era, as all writings are stored electronically. Others think that printed books still play an important role. Discuss both views and give your opinion. In both morning and evening slot in task 2, it was about giving the both views and your own opinion. Guys, now at the end, I'm giving you the sample answer for the morning slot task 2 and also for the evening slot task 2. Rest of the answers, that is for the reading and for the listening, we will try to put a video by late tonight or tomorrow morning on Sunday. So please subscribe our channel Stars of Knowledge Jalandhar so that when we publish that video, you do get a notification on your homepage. And also, if you do like this video, please click on the like button. And good luck for your results, and also good luck for the students who are giving the 24th June exam. The prediction of that exam is already available on the channel to watch. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you students. Take care and bye-bye.